everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time clicking, thank you for tuning in. If you're already a subscriber, thanks for always coming back to watch my videos again. My name is Olajumoke, and if you are new here and you like what you see already, please do well to click on the subscribe button below, hit the like button, and also share this video. Okay, this is the part 2 video. The part 1 will be linked down in the description box below. Please check it out so that you can understand. Okay, so this is my sister, my immediate sister. She's a mother of 3. Her name is Kemi, and this is also Moturayo tying Gele on her head. She's also my sister. She's my cousin. She just completed her training and she was like, oh, let me use my sisters as a model, my Gele model. So I was like, okay, oh, this is a content already. Let me show my people now. This is Gele. Nigerian women, we know they joke with party. So I just feel like sharing it with you guys. Maybe you can gain 1 or 2 things from the tips and tricks of tying Gele. Okay, so if you like this video, please let me know in the comment section. Let me know if my sister has learned something during her training. So yeah, sit back and enjoy this video. Okay.
warm you up. Baby, please, let me love you much. Come on with me, baby. Oh, oh. Never ever leave without me. Oh, oh. Baby, now, let me warm you up. Oh, baby, please, let me love you much. Baby, baby, don't be cold, I will warm you. Every day I reach out sweet as a heart, baby. enjoy your life, try to be happy. Come on with me, baby. Oh, never ever leave without me. Oh, baby, now let me warm you up. Baby, please, let me love you much. Baby, baby, don't be cold, I will warm you. Every day I reach out to you. Me happy.